Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
They've been manufactured in the KitchenAid factory in Greenville, Ohio since 1941, coming in 8 models and over 30 different colors. KitchenAid appliances are manufactured in a variety of places, including several sites in the United States, Canada, India and China.
Let's help you make your mark.
The top recommended brands overall: Whirlpool, Maytag and KitchenAid, in that order. Whirlpool and KitchenAid were both strong finishers across all of the kitchen categories, but GE was a top-rated brand for stoves and ovens, and Bosch led the pack with dishwashers.
Take our lead.
KitchenAid is another of the American refrigerator brands that falls under Whirlpool's umbrella. Their high-quality refrigerators are manufactured at a variety of factories throughout North America.
Take our lead.
If you're looking for a high-end refrigerator with all the best features, you can't go wrong with a reliable KitchenAid refrigerator. Whether you're hoping for a model with French doors or touch-activated controls, this top brand of refrigerators can meet just about any need.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.